In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an item in Zoho Inventory. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which fields you need to fill out so your new item is set up correctly and ready to use in your account. Let's start from the main Zoho Inventory dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Home or Getting Started page. This is the central hub where you can access all the different modules in your inventory system. We're going to focus on the Items section because that's where all your products and services are managed. Look over to the main navigation panel and click on Items. This opens the Items module, which lists everything you currently have set up in your inventory, such as products you sell, materials you purchase, or services you offer. Even if your list is empty right now, that's completely fine. We're going to add a new item from here. Inside the Items section, you may see tabs or filters for different types of items. Make sure you're on the main Items view so you can see the button to add something new. At the top of this page, you'll find a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on New to start creating a new item record. Once you click New, Zoho Inventory will open a form where you can fill in all the details for your item. This includes the item name, item code, and any other identifiers you use to track it. Take a moment to enter a clear descriptive name that you and your team will easily recognize later. If you use codes or SKUs, type those in as well to keep your inventory organized. You'll also see fields for things like item type, selling price, cost price, and tax information depending on your setup. Fill in as much relevant information as you can. The more complete your item details are, the smoother your sales, purchasing, and reporting processes will be. If there are optional fields you don't use, you can leave those blank, but try not to skip anything that affects pricing or stock tracking. When you've reviewed everything and you're happy with the details, scroll down to the bottom of the form and click on Save. Zoho Inventory will create the new item and add it to your items list. From now on, you'll be able to select this item in sales orders, invoices, purchase orders, and other transactions.